Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today, we're diving into something essential for every Windows user: optimizing performance. Get ready as I guide you through the steps to run a powerful computer performance benchmark test on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's supercharge your PC together. Stay tuned. First, open the search box and type PowerShell. A blue window will pop up. Copy the command from the description below this video. The command will paste. Press Enter. CPU score 8.8, D3D score 9.9, disk score 7.95, graphics score 6.2, memory score 8.8. Click on the search box again and type CMD to open command prompt. Copy the command from the description below this video. Click on Performance Monitor in the left sidebar to examine your device's performance. For more detailed information, click on Data Collector Sets. Click on System. Click System Performance. Press the Start button. Click on Performance Counter to generate a detailed performance report. Congratulations on mastering the art of checking computer performance benchmarks and running tests on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, show your support with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our tech tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content to boost your PC performance. Until next time, bye-bye.